everybody. So we're over here taking it easy on our bikes. Yeah, and we got some Appalachian trail hikers. They're going to be out 5 months, you guys say? 5 total months on the trail. Now that's stamina. It definitely is something we can't handle. So wish these guys luck and great experience, great adventure. And of course they'll be able to wave and see themselves on our blog here next month or so. Well, as you notice, we're back at the Winding Stair recreation area. This is Talamina National Scenic Byway. The reason I put this on this video, even though we just made that Talamina ride, was because this is the end of our 11-day vacation that we've been riding for 3,100 miles by the time we get home. We left the house 11 days ago, went through Louisiana, Mississippi, Tennessee, North Carolina, rode I don't know, Choalua or something, Skyway, I can't pronounce it. I have to get the paperwork out on that one. Then we rode the Blue Ridge Parkway from in to head and then back, and rode the Diamondback route while we were there as well. Experienced a lot of rain, fog, nice sunshine, swung through Tennessee, and decided to ride the Talamina to get back so we could avoid the rush hour of DFW traffic by going around the Metroplex. So this worked out good. Be able to take back roads from here all the way home. Anyway, I hope the video does this justice. Like I say, it was a long trip. We're pretty tired, but it was a good trip. Experienced some great byways, some great scenery, and hope you enjoy it all.